Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a premium, durable, and stylish mechanical watch, today's review is just for you. This is the Addiesdive Automatic Mechanical Watch in Absolute, game changer for any watch enthusiast. Introducing the Addiesdive Automatic Mechanical Watch for Men, crafted with precision and elegance. Whether you're a business professional, a casual wearer, or someone who loves high-quality timepieces, this watch checks all the boxes. It's got that perfect blend of functionality, sophistication, and durability. Today, we're going to dive deep into the features that make this watch stand out. From its stainless steel build to the reliable MY-H5 automatic movement, this watch is packed with all the essentials for the modern man. Let's talk design. The Addiesdive watch features a sleek and polished 316L stainless steel case, known for its superior corrosion resistance and strength. The 316L steel is a premium choice that ensures longevity and protection against the elements. Just look at the craftsmanship in the case and bracelet. The silver finish adds a classy, business-ready touch, while the bracelet links are designed for comfort and a secure fit. It's solid, yet feels light enough for everyday wear. Inside, the Addiesdive is powered by the trusted MY-H5 automatic movement, one of the best movements in its class. It's known for its precision and reliability, offering about 41 hours of power reserve. This means you won't need to wind it every day. Just wear it regularly, and it'll keep ticking. Plus, the sweeping second hand is smooth, and you can really appreciate the attention to detail when you're wearing it. Another standout feature is its waterproof design. With a water resistance rating of 100 meters, this watch is more than capable of handling rain, splashes, and even a swim in the pool. Perfect for those who need both style and function in one package. From the office to the outdoors, the Addiesdive watch fits seamlessly into any environment. Whether you're dressed up for a business meeting or out for a casual day, this watch will complement your look without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the Addiesdive Automatic Mechanical Watch is a solid choice for anyone looking to elevate their wrist game. With its automatic movement, durable stainless steel build, water resistance, and premium design, it's a watch that truly delivers. So whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift for someone special, this watch is guaranteed to impress. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay stylish, my friends.